Alright friends, got a little bit of a fly problem. By a little I mean a lot. So I got on the Google machine, gonna try this little deal right here. You get a thing, you put a little hole in it right there for flies to fly in, and they can't get back out because you put the lid on it. But you gotta put something stinky in there. So I got the sardines here. So I'm gonna try the sardines, see how stinky those things get. And I'm gonna do another one with chicken breast. And I'll do another one with dog poo. So we'll see which one works better. So let's see here. Oh God. Oh God. Oh sweet Jesus. Oh, don't spill. Let's see if I can get in here on this for you guys. Don't you fall over, camera. Oh God. These smell horrible. Oh God. Oh God, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Oh shit. People actually eat this stuff? I mean, people can't really actually eat sardines, right? That's a joke. This is the, oh my God. Oh, the texture of it. Oh, oh God. All right. You got it in there, you're gonna let it kind of soak and let the heat kind of get everything marinated, and then you can put it out there. But we'll see how it works. I'll keep everybody updated. Oh God, it smells bad. Oh.